All right, today we're going to be making some tie-dye t-shirts. The first thing we're going to do, I'm going to do this in Sharpie. You can do it in pencil first, is make a t-shirt and a tank top. So we're going to first make a tank top. The way we're going to do that is we're going to make kind of a boxy U. So you're going to do a line down, across, and up. And this should be about the size of your hand, or a little bit smaller than the paper. So pretty big. After you do that, you're going to go across a little bit on both sides, but not all the way across. Then you're going to make a U from here to here. That's going to be our tank top. Now see the shape we made at the top here? We're going to do the same thing on this side to start with. So kind of like a U with two lines going out like that. Once we've done that, we're going to do the sleeves. So they're going to be like, think of them like a diagonal line down out to the side on both sides. And then this sleeve is going to be kind of like a square U like that going around. So down and up, so that way these are 90-degree angles. And that's okay if it's not exactly like that because, well, t-shirts aren't always like the stiff kind of rectangular shape. They're fabric, so they would fold. Then kind of like the tank top, we're going to go down, across, and up again. You're going to take a minute to finish drawing those, and then you can write something on your t-shirt like summer fun or something like that. So I'm going to write on this one, beach. And I'm going to go ahead and put some waves. Why not? And this one, I'm going to put sun, fun. And then I'm going to do like a little sun cartoon. So if you do like little drawings on it, make them kind of simple. Like that. All right, so I'm going to actually cut these in half. And then go to the side, go ahead and you design yours. We can pause here, and then I'm going to tell you how we're going to create tie-dye. All right, so after that, you're going to take your tin foil, and I'm going to make two tie-dye type of patterns. The first one is going to be the beach one, and I'm going to mix rainbow on my tin foil about the size of my beach. So I'm going to start with red at the top, and I'm using the side of my marker to create these big wide marks. My orange should be touching it. See how it's about as wide as my tank top. Maybe make my red a little wider. I'm going to make the yellow section really big. Then I'm going to do green. And you don't have to do this many colors. I'm just going to do rainbow for this one. But if you do different colors than me, try to make sure they're related. They can either be cool or warm colors, or they should be near each other on the color wheel, and we can talk more about that too. All right, so once you're done creating your this, you're going to go ahead and I'm going to spray it. So you need to raise your hand. I will come by with a water spray bottle and I will spray it. Find my water spray bottle. Here it is. And what's going to happen is these colors are going to kind of start to melt together. When they start melting together a little bit, oh, that one's really melting down, I'm going to put my picture face down and rub it. Peel it off and look at that. I have my blended colors. So sun fun, I'm going to do warm colors because that's what reminds me of sun fun. So I did stripes for this one. This one, I'm going to do it as a radial design. So I'm going to start in the middle and kind of make a target. So I'm going to do like lines around each other. Sometimes tie-dye has like that rounded kind of shape to it. Making sure I'm covering it in marker, so there shouldn't be a lot of gaps in my marker lines. I'm going to add a lot of yellow because yellow is not a very strong color and it usually gets taken over, so I'm just going to add tons of yellow. I'm going to even add yellow out here. I'll let you know if it's not quite enough color. I know it's hard to see the yellow, but then I'm going to go ahead and add some mistakes to spray this. Watch them melt a little bit. Melty. And only use a few seconds. Put your picture face down. Rub it. And I got some on my hand. That's okay. And when you pull it off, it should look kind of like different colors. When you're done, the best way to clean these is just to kind of wipe them off with a tissue or a paper towel. If you don't have that at your desk right now or at home, just wait. All right, and there are my two tie-dye pieces. We will cut them out and put them on fun paper too. So you might need them to dry a little bit before cutting them. Maybe not, but we're going to cut them out. And if you need to practice, you can practice some of these on practice paper if you're not sure how it's going to turn out. Like if you have a specific color scheme in mind that you're not sure if it's going to work out that great. And then for the background paper, we want to think about papers that make these colors stand out. So I'm going to probably choose cool colors to put this warm color shirt on. And then I'm going to choose probably, I don't know for the beach one yet. I will decide once I see some colors behind it. But definitely this one would probably look best, yep, on a blue background. Just glue those on when it's dry. And then, let's see what color I have. I have a green. Let's see if the green looks okay. I don't know if it's going to look okay. I have a light green too. Let's see here. Does this green look pretty good behind this? Maybe. What about sky blue maybe? I feel like not, but we'll see. No. Maybe a red. Either way, you're going to choose colors. That might be kind of nice. And then we're going to glue this all together so that they kind of sit next to each other. And there's our funny sunny tie-dye beachwear.